Kubota owners, I might have one that will be helpful for you today, so stay tuned. Now the problem only occurred whenever I was out plowing in high range and you're traveling much faster than normal. So they sent a tech over there. It was their top guy, and he took the front end apart and couldn't find anything where it wouldn't do it. You got to run the machine a while before it would do this noise, and it wouldn't do it when he was here. So he took the whole front end all apart, didn't find anything, and put it all back together. Now that was literally when his machine was new, and if it's not going to act up when the guy is here, I can see where it's not going to. What are you going to do? It's not broke. How can you fix it? So I took it under my own hands to chase the issue down, and here's what I found. Now we're under the machine right here. This is the drive shaft for the front of the machine. And I took this all apart after a year maybe after that guy got done looking at it, couldn't find a problem. And here's what I found. You are going to find this interesting, providing that light don't bobble. Right up in here, there's a seal. And through the years in the automotive industry, I've seen several times where a seal would make an identical noise to a bearing going bad. So I took that all apart in the front here, and I have pictures of what I did. So I'm going to post them for you right now. The drive shaft here is spinning multiple times versus the wheel rotation. They have a gear reduction right there in that front axle. So this is really going fast here. That's why it wouldn't do it in anything but high gear. Now the problem is, the problem would only be gone after I greased the seal. That was the problem. But it would only be gone for several years, and you got to take that whole thing all apart again to get that out to re-lubricate that seal. So wow, I figured out a shortcut technique to lubricate that so that problem goes away, and it sounds like a tractor is literally gonna come apart. I'll show you what I got. Okay, now I'm underneath the tractor right now. This is the front drive shaft, the front end, because it only made that noise when you're in four-wheel drive. And they conveniently have a little weep hole right here on this boot. So you grab your can of, you know what this is, take the nozzle, point it toward, the seal is right here. So you want to get some of this on there. So you go oink here. Don't be stingy. Oh. And then go on side B. Hook it up in here. Good. Let her drain in your pan. And this is too easy to sound good. This works. So I ran it since last fall. I've done this, and it still is not squealing, and I'm going to take all of this apart again. So I wanted to show you folks that and share that with you. Otherwise, you go into a place and you got your squealy noise in high gear, they're going to tear this all down. You're going to get new bearings, new seals, big bill, when you could have a 1-minute fix by taking your WD-40 and spraying it in there. So, I like saving you folks money. Anyway, that's my tech tip on this beast for the day. So, hey tours, I wanted to pass this information along to you folks. Years ago, the first time I ran into this was on Dodge Caravans. They have your flange bearing on your front steering knuckle, and they also had another seal inboard on that. And that's what would make the racket. So instead of selling the customer a whole new expensive flange bearing, I would just lubricate that seal, that noise would be gone. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. And stop back again here. And if you're really good, I'll let you pet my dog. Anyway, nice to see you back here. Thank you folks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye. Hey, doers, free hit. I have a video you could make your own. Thanks again. Well, hey tubers, I thought I'd finish the video up here with a little bit of snow plowing. I detuned the diesel noise on the video here for your listening pleasure, so enjoy. And of course the machine is just idling here. It still toodles right along. But when I go out by the storage units to plow, crank up the RPMs, you can't believe how fast that thing goes. It's one guy one time said, he says, it's not a tractor, that's a plow truck. Anyway, I like it when people throw goofy comments at you. I posted my first video in February 2013, even though it says 2010 on my channel. I couldn't believe it when I got 100 views on my channel. I was just ecstatic. It's kind of neat how that stuff works, but yeah, folks would get a kick out of that. But it's neat how it's growing. I'll never be a big player, but I just so enjoy doing this. In the comments, well, you people in your comments make it all worth it for me, so thank you. Years ago, they had a hydraulic pump and a hydraulic motor on these systems. Well, as time progressed, they went into what's called a swash plate system. If you're ever bored, look that up on Google. And the first ones they had problems with because they couldn't get enough lubrication for the design. But then, like on this machine here, they actually have holes in the swash plate pistons to assist in a lubrication so the thing don't frazzle itself. But anyway, another little thingy for you guys. And if you're still watching this, I'd like to thank you folks again. Really nice having you around with cool comments. It's just you folks never make me bored, I'll tell you that. So put the videos up and leave some comments and we'll have a good time.